Hello and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on a Budget. I'm Stephanie and I'm glad you're here. Have you ever felt that your home should be beautiful and actually work for the life you're living right now? Then you're on the right channel. Now today I'm starting off a Christmas series called the 7 Days Tablescape Christmas. Now each episode is going to be a different theme for Christmas for the tablescapes. So today's theme is a simple tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how mine turns out, you know what to do. Stick around.
First Noel, the angels did say, was a certain poor shepherd.
Just to let everyone know, everything on this table I already had. There is nothing new that I'm being using. The black placemats, they came from, I believe it was Hobby Lobby. No, those came from At Home years ago. The plaid charger came from Hobby Lobby. The white plate and the dessert plate came from the Dollar Tree. The table runner came from the Tablecloths Factory. The candle holders, the smaller ones, came from the Dollar Tree. The taller ones came thrifting. I got those at Goodwill. The clear vases on top of the candle holders. They came from the Dollar Tree along with the candle inserts. The flatware was purchased from Temu, and the wine glasses, the wine glasses came from thrifting. So everything on here I already had. So I hope you enjoy it and everything looks seasonal to you. Now let me know down below what you thought of my simple tablescape. Everything is always done on a budget. Now, I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today, and I hope you feel inspired to create a space both beautiful and perfectly for you on a budget. Now, don't forget that you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. The links will be down below. Now, I'd love to connect with you there. And I'll see you next time here on Creatively Miss Me.